Hello. So today I'm gonna do unboxing and orchid haul. Okay. So there's one. And this is from, it's called Phalaenopsis felicio. And also I bought these orchids from Norman Orchids. I know I had a bad experience from them on the first time. I forgot to mention that there's mealy bugs from the first shipment, but they're the only orchid sellers that sell species orchids. Like this one, this is from Philippines. This actually remind me of the orchids when I was young in the Philippines. Okay. This one is Phalaenopsis philippinense. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'll attach the picture. This one is Phalaenopsis schilleriana. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this one is Schilleriana varkescens. Yeah, this one is from Philippines also. And this one, it's Sweetheart, Phalaenopsis pink bee sweetheart. So they're all planted in moss. And again, I'm going to quarantine them. I'm going to transplant them to I'm gonna take this off. Alright, and also are the orchids that I got from Lowe's. This one is very small, but they don't have a lot of choices there either. I think this is what you call the orchid in a bag, I think. Actually, this one I can use this to mount my orchids.
Where's she at?
Over there.
Guess I gotta go collect that.
Okay.
And she ain't going.
She is?
So I'm gonna put her inside. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, so this is called Pink Dala. Hyacinth, no, I don't know. Pink Dala. It's pink orchid. Pink cattleya. So that's what it looks like. Let's see. So this is it. It's very small, probably 1-inch pot. I got this from Home Depot. No, sorry, Lowe's. I don't know why I'm thinking Home Depot. So this one, the screen, actually I can use this if I want to mount orchids. I will put sphagnum moss and then kind of put it around like that, you know, if I want to mount an orchid. And this one, and I can see that it's white. I live in upstate New York. Like, we don't have a lot of choices for orchids. Now, if you live in Florida, I know there's plenty of places that sell orchids. They have nursery, and you can even buy different orchids in Lowe's. So this is what. Okay, so this is my new addition to my orchids. This is white. It's white reception. It's not focusing right now. And this is what it looks like. Hopefully when so this is what it looks like when hopefully in the future it's gonna bloom. And it's very dry. So I noticed most of the medium here is charcoal. And here's another one. It's very small. And I'm going to repot them as soon as possible. So that's my new addition to my orchid collection. Most of them are species. They're not hybrids. That one is huge. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we'll check the roots. If you can see that. Yeah. There's not a lot of roots outside. Oh, I see one there and here. Open you. So this is larger than the rest, actually. So this is very common in the Philippines, this kind of orchids. Actually, my grandma, she have a lot of these. So I think it's, I would love to have orchids from the Philippines here in New York. That would be awesome. But I'm gonna be planting them inside my house. Like I said, I'm going to repot this, and this one is moss. It's very wet right now. Feel it here. See the roots. and when I repot them, we'll see the roots if they're healthy or not. This one is a multiflora mini phalaenopsis orchid. So there's, oh, I see a spike here. I don't know if you can see that there's a spike down there. This one you can see the roots. It's just green. That means they are healthy and hydrated. But again, they're planted in moss, sphagnum moss. I don't like sphagnum moss. They tend to over water the orchids, and it's hard to control the water or moisture of the orchid. So here's another one. Again, I don't see any roots, but we'll see. This one is very dry compared to the other one. Very dry. This one is planted in moss again. See roots there. And that's that. So I'm going to spray this with neem oil. So I will spray the leaves. Like I said, the first time I got orchids from Norman's Orchids, they were infested with mealy bugs. Good thing I checked, and I always quarantine the orchids when I got them. So yep, so that's my new added collection to my orchids, and I'm hoping you like it, and let me know what you think. Bye.